Hi students, welcome back to All Force e-learning classes. Dear students, in this session I am going to find the coefficients of binomial expansions by using partial fractions. Please write the problem. Find the coefficient of x power 4. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay. First, already we know about these formulas. First, observe these values. What is the formula for 1 plus x whole power minus 1? Index is negative integral index. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus 1 minus 1 whole power r into x power r plus 1 infinite. Okay. Similarly, 1 minus x whole power minus 1. What is the formula? 1 plus x square plus x cube plus 1 x power r plus 1 infinite. Similarly, 1 plus x whole power minus 2. That is equal to 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus 1 minus 1 whole power r into r plus 1 into x power r plus 1 infinite. Similarly, 1 minus x whole power minus 2, we get all are positive. 1 plus x whole power minus 3, 1 minus x whole power minus 3. Already we proved these values. Please observe these values. Okay. Next, coming to the problem. In this case, we find the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of, in the rational fraction 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1. Suppose this can be reduced in this way. 3x of x minus 2 whole power 1 into x plus 1 whole power minus 1. Please observe this value first. Here, this can be reduced into 1 minus x whole power minus 1, 1 plus x whole power minus 1. After expansion, x into, we get x power 4. By multiplying this value, x power 4 coefficient. It is one of the method. It is a lengthy method. But by using the partial fractions, we find the coefficients easily. Okay, first we reduce this equation into partial fractions. Here, it is proper or improper? Please observe that point. Is it proper or improper? 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1. Numerator degree is 1, denominator degree is 2. So it is proper. And denominator contains non-repeated linear factor. It is not repeated, both are linear. So, type 1. So, what are the partial fractions? A by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. Okay, first write this value. Put 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. After LCM, we find AB, or by using direct formula, we find value of A and B. Okay, at x is equal to, what is the value of A? At x is equal to 2, A is nothing but, substitute the point 2 in numerator of LHS, that means 3 into 2, 6, by, what is this value? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means 3, that is equal to. Okay, next, at x is equal to minus 1, what is the value of B? B is equal to, x is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 3 by, here minus 1 minus 2 means minus 3, that is equal to 1. Please observe these points. Or actual method is, but after LCM, it can be reduced into 3x is equal to a of x plus 1 plus b of x minus 2. Put x is equal to 2 in this equation, we get a. Put x is equal to 2 in this equation, we get a, and x is equal to minus 1, we get b. Okay, this method or this method, by using these values we find AB. Therefore, 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to, what is the value of A? 2 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Move this value. What is the meaning of 1 by x? 1 by x is nothing but x power minus 1. Okay. 1 by 1 plus x means 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Already we know about the formula 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Similarly, x minus 2 means x minus 2 whole power minus 1. It can be reduced into 1 minus x whole power minus 1. So, first what is the common term here? Minus is the common term. First we reduce constant 1 plus x form. First to convert into, first term is a constant. Okay. Minus is the common term, 2 minus x plus 1 by 1 plus x. Any doubt in this value? Here common value is 2. That means 2 by minus 2 into 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus x. 2 cancel. That means that is equal to, it can be reduced into minus of 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. 1 by x means x power minus 1 plus 1 plus x whole power minus 1. That means 1 plus x whole power minus 1 minus of 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. Please observe this value. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1 and it is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Expand that value. Okay. What is the formula? We know that 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on x power, okay, minus 1 whole power, sorry, okay, minus 1 whole power r into x power r plus so on infinite. It is the formula. Similarly, 1 minus x whole power minus 1 means 1 plus x square by x square plus x cube so on infinite, x power r so on infinite. If both are minus, all are positive. If plus and minus, alternatively plus and minus. Okay, please observe that point. That is equal to, after expansion it can be reduced into 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4, okay, minus so on, minus 1 whole power r into x power r so on infinite, minus of, here what is the value of x? X by 2. 1 plus x by 2 means 1 plus x means x by 2 plus x square means x by 2 whole square plus so on x by 2 whole power r plus so on infinite. It is the expansion. Okay, therefore now we find coefficient of x power 4. X power 4 coefficient is nothing but coefficient of x power 4 in this value minus in this value. What is the coefficient of x power r in this case? 1. Okay, what is the coefficient of x power r? For getting x power r, we take r is equal to 4, x by 2 whole power 4, that means minus 1 by 2 whole power 4. Please observe this value, x by 2 whole power 4, that means 1 by 2 power 4 into x power 4. Coefficient of x power 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 power 4, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 16, that is equal to 15 by 16. It is the coefficient of x power 4. Suppose we find the coefficient of x power 100. We find the coefficient of x power 100. What is the coefficient of x power 100? For getting 100, put r is equal to 100. That means the coefficient is minus 1 whole power 100. That means 1. Here for getting x power 100 coefficient, r is equal to 100. That means x by 2 whole power 100. That means what is the coefficient? 1 by 2 whole power 100. Okay. Please observe this value. Very, very important. Note this value. Next, second one. Find the coefficient of x power 5. Find the coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion of 3x square plus 2x by x square plus 2 into x minus 3. Find the coefficient of x power 5. Second one. Find the coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion of 3x square plus 2x by x square plus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, please observe the values. Here numerator degree is 2, denominator degree is 3, proper fraction, and it is x square plus 2 is the quadratic and irreducible. Okay, so what are the partial fractions here? Ax plus b by x square plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Put this value is equal to, first we resolve the given fraction into partial fractions, then by using infinite series we find the coefficients. Okay, here what is the LCM? 3x square plus 2x by x square plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to, LCM is x square plus 2 into x minus 3. Here ax plus b plus c into x square plus 2. After equating the numerators, denominator cancel. 3x square plus 2x is equal to, what is the value? Ax plus b into x minus 3 plus c of x square plus 2. That means ax plus b into x minus 3 plus c of x square plus 2. It is equation number 2. Okay, ax plus b into x minus 3 plus c of x square plus 2. Okay, at x is equal to, or put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3. 3 means 3 into 3 square, 9 into 3, 27. 27 plus 6 is equal to this value 0 plus c of 3 square means 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 means 11. Okay. What is the value of c here? 27 plus 6 means, what is that value? 33. 33 is equal to 11c. That implies c is equal to 3. The value of c is 3. Next, by equating x square coefficients, we get 3 is equal to, here what is x square? A plus c. Already value of c is 3. So substitute this value in this equation. A is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 0. Okay. Next, compare the constant terms. Compare the constant terms. Constant term means here what is the constant term? 0 is equal to minus 3b, b into minus 3 plus 2c. What is the value of c? C is 3. 2 into 3 means 6. Okay. That means 3b is equal to 6, b value is equal to 2. Substitute these values in this equation, we get the partial fractions. Here what is the value of a? A is equal to 0, b is equal to 2, the value of c is equal to 3. Okay, substitute these points in the equation 1, we get this value is equal to a means 0, that means b means 2, 2 by x square plus 2 plus 3 by x minus 3. Okay, here 1 plus x or 1 minus x, common value is 2. So, that means 2 by 2 of 1 plus x square by 2 plus 3 by minus 3 is the common term, 1 minus x by 3. Please observe this value. Okay, here what is the next step? 2, 2, 1 time cancel, 3, 3, 1 time cancel. That means 1 plus x square by 2 whole power minus 1 minus 1 minus x by 3 whole power minus 1. Okay, here these are in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1 and 1 minus x whole power minus 1. 1 plus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Again 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is nothing but 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, so on. Similarly 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is 1 plus x square, so on. So reduce this value into in this way. What is that value? 1 minus x means x square by 2 here. It is x, sorry, 1 plus x. 1 plus x. Okay, x means x square by 2. Here 1 minus x plus x square by 2, so on. So next step is x square by 2 whole square. Next step is x square by 2 whole cube plus so on. Okay, next step is minus of 1 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 whole cube plus so on, x by 3 whole power r plus so on infinite. Okay, please observe this value. In this case, now required value is x power 5 coefficient. Here x square, x power 4, x power 6. In this case, x power coefficient is 0. This expansion does not contain x power 5 term. Therefore, in this case, x power 5 coefficient is 0. What is the x power 5 coefficient? For getting x power 5 coefficient, put r is equal to 5. That means 1 by 3 whole power 5. Therefore, x power 5 coefficient is equal to 1 by 3 whole power 5. It is the answer. Okay, please note this value. Third one. Find the coefficient of x power r. Find the coefficient of x power r in the expansion of x minus 4 by x square minus 5x plus 6. In this case, we find the coefficient of x power r. What is the denominator? X square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6 is quadratic and it can be resolved into factors. Please observe this value. The factors are x minus 2 into x minus 3. So, denominator contains repeated linear factors. So, what are the partial fractions of this value? Put x minus 4 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is nothing but x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Put, it is the reducible quadratic. Okay. Factors are x minus 2 and x minus 3. So, replace this value by x minus 2 and x minus 3. Write the partial fractions. Here, a is equal to, at x is equal to 2, we get a. What is the value of a? By substituting 2 in this value, minus 2 by, okay, 2 minus 3 means minus 1. That is equal to 2. At x is equal to 3, b is equal to, substitute the value of b, 3 in this value, minus 1 by, here, 3 minus 2 means 1. That is equal to minus 1. Okay, therefore the partial fractions of this equation are x minus 4 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to, what is the value of a? 2 by x minus 2 plus what is the value of b? Minus 1 by x minus 3. Okay, please note this value. Now we can reduce into 1 plus x whole power minus 1 or 1 minus x whole power minus n. So common term is minus 2. That is equal to 2 by minus 2 of, next 1 minus x by 2. Okay, next here common term is minus 3. Minus of 1 by minus 3 of 1 minus x by 3. Here minus minus cancel plus, here 2 cancel. That means 1 by, what is the value? 1 by 3 into 1 minus x by 3 whole power minus 1. Here minus minus plus. Okay, first write this value. Next, this is plus by minus means minus. What is that value? 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. Okay, please observe these values. These two are in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Since 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to, what is the formula? 1 plus x square plus so on x power r plus so on infinite. Okay, by using that formula, expand these values. That is equal to 1 by 3 into, what is this value? 1 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 whole square plus so on x by 3 whole power r plus so on infinite. Okay, minus of, this value is 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square plus so on x by 2 whole power r plus so on infinite. Now what is the required value? Now we find the coefficient of x power r. Therefore, coefficient of x power r is equal to 1 by 3 into this x power 4 coefficient. Sorry, x power r coefficient. What is the x power r coefficient? X by 3 whole power r means x power r by 3 power r. That means 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 whole power r. Please observe this value. We find the coefficient of x power r. Here, for getting x power r, x by 3 whole power r means 1 by 3 power r into x power r. The coefficient of x power r is 1 by 3 power r into 1 by 3 plus, sorry, minus, what is the coefficient of x power r? 1 by 2 whole power r. 1 by 2 whole power r. It is the required answer. Okay, please note this value. Next, fourth one. X by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Find the coefficient of x power n in this expansion. Find the coefficient of x power n. Find the coefficient of x power n in this expansion. X by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Please observe the denominator. X minus 1 whole square means, repeated linear factor. X minus 2 means non-repeated. So what are the partial fractions? A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. Put this value is equal to, please write the partial fractions. Put x by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. After LCM, it can be reduced into x is equal to a of x minus 1 into x minus 2. LCM and equating numerators. Okay, a of x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus b of x minus 2 plus c of x minus 1 whole square. Okay, it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, we get 1 is equal to this value 0 plus b of 1 minus 2 means minus 1 plus 0. That means b is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus b is equal to 1 means b is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to 2. X is equal to means 2 is equal to 0 plus c into 2 minus 1 whole square means 1. That means what is the value of c? C is equal to 2. By equating constant terms or higher coefficients, we find the remaining value. What is the higher coefficient? X square. By equating x square coefficient or constant term, any one value. By equating x square coefficient, LHS value is equal to 0. Here x into x means x square into a means a. Plus here there is no constant term. Here x square coefficient is c. A plus c is equal to 0. Already we find c value is 2. So a is equal to minus 2. Okay, substitute these values in this equation, we get the partial fractions. What is the value of a here? A means minus 2. That means this value is minus 2 by x minus 1. What is the value of b? B is equal to minus 1. That means this value is, b value is minus 1 by x minus 1. What is the value of c? C is equal to 2. 2 by x minus 2. Please note these values. Therefore, x by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equal to, first we find the partial fractions, then we find the coefficients. Here minus 2 by x minus 1 means minus 2 by minus of 1 minus x. Okay. Here minus 1 by 1 minus x whole square. A square minus x square is equal to plus x square. After common minus of whole square means plus. Plus 2 by minus 2 of, what is that value? 1 minus x by 2. Okay. that is equal to minus minus cancel, 2 by 1 minus x, okay, here minus 1 by 1 minus x whole square, here 2 to 1 time cancel, that means minus 1 by 1 minus x by 2. What is the value of 1 by x? 1 by x is equal to x power minus 1. 2 of 1 minus x whole power minus 1 minus of 1 minus x whole power minus 2 minus of 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. In this case, we use the formula 1 minus x whole power minus 1. In this case also 1 minus x whole power minus 1. In this case 1 minus x whole power 2 minus 2. Since 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus so on, x power r plus so on infinite. Both are negative. So all terms are positive. Here 1 minus x whole power minus 2. What is the formula? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus so on, r plus 1 into x power r plus so on infinite. Okay, by using these formulas, expand these values. That is equal to 2 of 1 plus x square plus so on, x power r plus so on infinite, minus of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus so on, r plus 1 into x power r plus so on infinite. Next, what is this value? Minus 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square plus so on x by 2 whole power r plus so on infinite. Okay, what is the required value? In this case, we find the coefficient of x power n. Therefore, coefficient of x power n is equal to, coefficient of x power n is equal to, in the first sequence, what is the coefficient of x power r? X power r is equal to 1. X power n coefficient means r is equal to n. That means 1 into 2. That means 2 into 1. Okay. Next, what is the coefficient of x power r? R plus 1. What is the coefficient of x power n? N plus 1. Minus of n plus 1. Please observe this value. Very, very important. Next, what is the coefficient of minus of? What is the coefficient of x power r? X by 2 whole power r means 1 by 2 power r. That means here x power n coefficient is 1 by 2 power n. That means 2 minus n minus 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. That means what is the final value? 1 minus n minus 1 by 2 power n. It is the coefficient of x power n. Please note this value. Next, fifth one. Find the coefficient of x power 8 in the expansion of 2 plus x whole square, 3 plus x whole cube, 4 plus x whole power 4. 2 plus x whole square, 3 plus x whole cube, 4 plus x whole power 4. Now we find the coefficient of x power 8. Okay, please observe this value. What is the higher power of this expansion? 4, 3, 2. That means 9. Now we find the coefficient of x power 8. It can be reduced in this way. X plus 2 whole square means x plus 2 into x plus 2. X plus 3 whole cube means x plus 3 into x plus 3 into x plus 3. Please observe this value. Next, x plus 4 whole power 4 means x plus 4 into x plus 4 into x plus 4 into x plus 4, 4 times. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose the problem is in this way. X plus alpha 1 into x plus alpha 2 into so on x plus alpha n. What is the expansion of this value? X power n plus sigma alpha 1 into x power n minus 1 plus sigma alpha 1 alpha 2 into x power n minus 2 plus 1. Here all values are positive, so we take positive. Suppose all of these are minus, we take alternatively plus and minus. So after expansion it can be reduced into, please observe this value. What is this value? X power 9. Okay, plus next sigma alpha 1 into x power 8 plus 1. Now we find the coefficient of x power 8. Therefore, coefficient of x power 8 is nothing but sigma alpha 1. Sigma alpha 1 means 2 plus 2. That means 2 into 2. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 3 into 3. Plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 means 4 into 4. Find this value. Okay. This is the coefficient of x power 8. Okay. Next. What is the value? 4 plus 9 plus 16. 25 plus 4 means 29. It is the required value. The coefficient of x power 8 in this expansion is 29. Okay. Next, sixth one. Find the coefficient of x power 203 in x minus 1 into x square minus 2 into x cube minus 3 into so on x power 20 minus 20. X minus 1 into x square minus 2 into x cube minus 3 into so on x power 20 minus 20. Here, what is the x power 1? here the index of x is 1, index of x is 2, index of x is 3, index of x is 20. What is the higher power? Higher power means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 20. Sum of the natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. 2 into 21 by 2 means 210. Higher power coefficient is 210. Next we find the coefficient of 203. 203. Okay, please observe this value. What is the expansion? X minus 1 into x square minus 2 into x cube minus 3 so on. Now we find the coefficient of x power 203. Okay, first we reduce this equation in this way. Here what is the common term? X. X of 1 minus 1 by x. Please write this value. Next, x square is the common term. It can be reduced into 1 minus 2 by x square. Similarly, x cube of 1 minus 3 by x cube so on. X power 20 of 1 minus 20 by x power 20. Please write this value. That means x power 1 x square x cube so on. That means x power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on 20 into 1 minus 1 by x into 1 minus 2 by x square 1 minus 3 by x cube into so on 1 minus 20 by x power 20. Please write this value. What is this value? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, since 1 plus 2 plus so on 20 is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That means 20 into 21 by 2. That means 210. That is equal to x power 210 into what is this value? 1 minus 1 by x into 1 minus 2 by x square into 1 minus 3 by x cube into so on 1 minus 20 by x power 20. Please write this value. Now we find the coefficient of 203. Therefore, please write this value. Coefficient of x power 203 in the expansion, this value x minus 1 into x square minus 2 into so on x power 20 minus 20. This expression is nothing but this value. These two are equal. That means coefficient of x power 203 in this expansion is equal to coefficient of x power 203 in the expansion of what is this value? X power 210 into 1 minus 1 by x into 1 minus 2 by x square into 1 minus 3 by x cube into so on 1 minus 20 by x power 20. Please write this value. These two expressions are equal. Okay. Now we find the coefficient of x power 203. But here x power 210 into something value. That means we find the coefficient of, in this expression, we find the coefficient of 1 by x whole power 7. Please observe this value. 1 by x whole power 7 means 1 by x power 7. X power 210 by x power 7 means we get x power 203. The coefficient of x power 203 in this expansion is nothing but 1 by x power 7 coefficient in this expansion. Okay. Are you understand this value? Okay. That is equal to coefficient of, please observe this value, coefficient of 1 by x power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus 1 by x into 1 minus 2 by x square into 1 minus 3 by x cube into so on 1 minus 20 by x power 20. Please observe this value. The coefficient of x power 203 in this expansion is nothing but the coefficient of 1 by x power 7. Suppose we find the coefficient of x power 7 in this value. X power 210 by x power 7 is nothing but x power m by x power n means x power m minus n. That means x power 203. Okay, very important. This is very important. Now we find the coefficient of 1 by x power 7 in this 6 expansion. Okay, what is that value? Please observe this value. The possibilities, x power 1 by x power 7 coefficients. Please write separately. Case 1. Here 1 into directly 1 by x power 7 value. What is the 1 by x power 7? 1 into minus 7 by x power 7. It is 1 by x power 7 coefficient. Okay. Next possibility. Next, this 1 by x into 1 by x into 1 by x power 6 minus 1 by x into minus 6 by x power 6. In this case also we get x power 7. Okay. Next, minus 2 by x square into minus 2 by x square into, next, what is the value? Minus 5 by x power 5. It is the possible case. Next, minus 3 by x square into minus 3 by x square into minus 4 by x power, minus 3 by x cube into minus 4 by x power 4. Okay, in this case the coefficient is minus 7, in this case my coefficient is 6, in this case coefficient is 10, in this case coefficient is 12. In possible cases, please observe this value. X square, x into x square means x cube. By multiplying 1 by x square and 1 by x power 4 also, we get the 1 by x whole power 7. Okay, write that value also. Minus 1 by x, minus 1 by x, minus 2 by x square into minus 4 by x power 4. In this case also we get 1 by x power 7. That means in this case the coefficient is minus 8. Okay. Another cases, another possible cases. Please check the another possible cases. X square into x cube. That means x power 5. Mal again x square. So it is impossible case. Next, please check in this way. Add these values, all of these values. What is the answer? 6 plus. These are the possible cases. Okay. 6 plus 10 plus minus. Okay. Minus 8 minus 7. That means minus 15. Next, what are the positive values? 6 plus 12 means 18. 18 plus 10 means 28. 28 minus 15. What is the result? Finally, we get 13. It is the answer. Please observe the possible cases. Please observe the possible case. Please once again, 1 into 1 by x power 7. 2 into, 1 by x into 1 by x power 6. 1 by x square into 1 by x power 5. 1 by x cube into 1 by x power 4. Okay, next possibilities are 1 by x square, 1 by x power 4. In this case also we get 1 by x power 7. Okay, please note this value.